We'll guide you through how to make it always daytime in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you're working on something where you want it to be, or there's another reason for it. It doesn't matter, we'll guide you through this step by step. So what you need to do is you need to go and pause the game like so, as we need to go and have cheats and commands enabled. So press open to LAN, make sure allow commands is set to on, and press start LAN world, and that's it. Now what we need to do is go and use a command. So to open up the chat and type in /game rule space do capital D daylight then capital C cycle, and you can go and set that to false like so. Now the sun is not going to go and move, and what we can do is go and set the time, open the chat again and type in time set, and you could set it to day or noon or the time you want, and that's it. It's now going to stay like this and night's not going to come and the light will stay the same. If you found this useful, then leave a like.